Welcome back to John Kleis Cardio. Today I'm sat in a MK6 Golf. My name's Max and we've installed a Kenwood 8021 head unit to bring this customer wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and DAB. Let me spin around the camera and show you what we fitted. So here we have the head unit all fitted into the dash using our flush fit fitting kit. If I just turn on the ignition of the vehicle, this is going to boot it up. We've got a nice VW logo that comes up on the screen when it boots up. That just gives this a little bit of a nicer touch to the vehicle as it boots up. We've got the VW logo. Just helps it feel right at home. Just a little screen which comes up. Disclaimer. Here's the head unit all fitted in. Flush fitting fascia. It means there's just less layers on the dash. We always prefer these kind of fascias. They look the best. This car is actually pre-wired. If we retrofit steering wheel controls at a later date, which might be something the customer is considering. So all we have to do is add the steering wheel and whatever's necessary to that, and it will work with this head unit. It's got the right CAN bus adapters in basically. Here it boots up into the DAB radio. We've got our presets are down the side, down here. You can set in your save and your presets down the side. Your DAB antenna looks a little bit like this. Just sits over on the left hand side of the screen, and from the driver's position you can hardly notice it. It's literally just a tiny thing in the corner over there. It does have a bit of a clear film, but that's sort of what it looks like. Not much bother. You can fit shark fins, and some cars you can even mount them on rear windows as well, but that's our standard installation. A lot of people go for this head unit generally because it's got a 3-year warranty at the moment fitted by us. It's a real nice, clean, easy to use head unit, and its main features being wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is going to bring you maps, music, messaging, all at your fingertips. Really easy to call people, and it's like using your phone on the screen. You got navigation apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze. Sorry, not sure why it's not bringing up anything. It's probably to do with me using our shop phone, which I don't think has a SIM card in it, but your music and control and stuff like that will all come up on here. Real nice and easy to use Google Maps and Apple Maps on these systems. You can just type in whatever you're thinking, the name of the place, the name of the restaurant, hotel, postcode, door name, door number, whatever you want to think and go to, you can just type it into the head unit. So it's real nice and easy, this type of navigation. Screen's very responsive. You can add DAB apps like Radio Play if you want other apps. Music apps like Tidal, Spotify, Amazon Music are all compatible. This is what Apple CarPlay looks like in this vehicle, and pretty much on any vehicle, to be honest, with using this type of head unit. In this vehicle, we actually added the USB. You may wonder what we've done with it. Here it is. We actually take a factory VW USB, we modify it to fit our USB, and it's just a nice little touch, and which just helps to give it that more factory feel. So you don't really need to plug a USB into this head unit. It's only if you want to charge it or maybe put a video on there. But yeah, we put that down there because it just looks a bit neater than having a cable running down there, and more convenient to reach than having it in the glove box. Other features on these head units is they do have the ability to have a HDMI connected to them, where we could run leads into a glove box, and you could have a Fire Stick in there if you really want to watch films and stuff like that on your head unit. Obviously not while driving, and you get wireless mirroring as well, but that's mainly for Android users basically. This head unit will also integrate into parking sensors. If you've got a VW that has parking sensor come up on the screen, and if you've got a reverse camera, we can also keep that working with these head units. The bar on the bottom can be adjusted to whatever color to taste. We find red suits these because obviously the rest of the dash lights are red indeed. That is just a brief look at the Kenwood 8021 head unit, all supplied and fitted by us, John Kleis Cardio, into this MK6 Golf. If you've got a vehicle, any vehicle for that matter, we work on Golfs, we work on Ferraris, we work on everything in between, up and below. If you want Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, doesn't have to be through a Kenwood head unit. We've got other makes and models of head units. Maybe you've got a vehicle with separate controllers and screens. We've got solutions for those as well. So get in contact with us no matter what vehicle you have, and we'll be able to work out a solution for you. Many thanks. I'm Max from John Kleis. I'm signing off. Take care and good night.